Wake up, meaning to stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Get up, meaning to rise from bed. I get up and make my bed. Turn on, meaning to start a machine or light. Please turn on the lights. Turn off, meaning to stop a machine or light. Turn off the TV before you leave. Put on, meaning to wear something. She puts on her coat. Take off, meaning to remove something you're wearing. He takes off his shoes. Pick up, meaning to lift something from a surface. Pick up your toys. Put down, meaning to place something on a surface. Put down the book and listen. Stand up, meaning to rise to a standing position. Stand up when the teacher comes in. Write down, meaning to record something on paper. Write down the address. Look for, meaning to search for something. I am looking for my keys. Find out, meaning to discover information. I need to find out the answer. Give up, meaning to stop trying. Don't give up on your dreams. Throw away, meaning to discard something. Throw away the trash. Turn around, meaning to move so you face the opposite direction. Turn around and face me. Come in, meaning to enter a place. Come in and have a seat. Go out, meaning to leave home to go somewhere. Let's go out for dinner. Put away, meaning to place something in its proper location. Put away your clothes. Pick out, meaning to choose something. Pick out a dress for the party. Take out, meaning to remove something from a place. Take out the garbage. Look after, meaning to take care of someone or something. I look after my little brother. Run out of, meaning to have no more of something. We ran out of milk. Fill out, meaning to complete a form. Fill out this form. Set up, meaning to arrange or assemble something. Let's set up the tent. Show up, meaning to arrive at a place. He didn't show up to the meeting. Turn up, meaning to increase the volume or intensity. Turn up the volume. Turn down, meaning to decrease the volume or intensity. Turn down the music. Break down, meaning to stop working, usually for machines. My car broke down. Look up, meaning to search for information. Look up the word in the dictionary. Look forward to, meaning to be excited about something in the future. I look forward to the weekend. Hang out, Meaning, to spend time with someone. Do you want to hang out later? Hold on. Meaning, to wait for a short time. Hold on a minute, please. Cut down. Meaning, to reduce the amount of something. I need to cut down on sugar. Eat out. Meaning, to eat at a restaurant. We like to eat out on weekends. Call back. Meaning, to return a phone call. I will call you back later. Come back. Meaning, to return to a place. Please come back soon. Pass out. Meaning, to faint or lose consciousness. She passed out from the heat. Put off. Meaning, to delay something. Don't put off your homework. Show off. Meaning, to display something proudly. He likes to show off his new car.